What was the quality of education back in the day?
No, it was good. See, because computer science, now the computer science field also has evolved, right? Now people talk of data sciences, AI, those are the subjects. But at that time, the basics were electrical and electronics. You start with those. Then you add a few computer algorithms, data structures. They're very logical subjects. Nobody taught, yeah, I'll teach you how to do C programming or Java programming. You taught the basics of programming, and then as you got opportunities to work in small projects, you picked up a language, you learned it, and then you implement it, right? So, Mac, being a teacher himself, right, he always tells that today's people don't know the underlying basics of how computer programming happens, because so many layers have been built over the years that you just say, write a command and 100 things happen for you. But when we were learning, we were told to go to the lowermost, how to do a sort algorithm. Nobody cares how the sort algorithm works today. So that is where that was the quality of the education. It was focusing on the basics,
on the roots,
right?
And now, what would be your comment on like coders using AI tools to write an entire code structure? Like,
no, it is fine because it makes it efficient for them, right? And at the end, you have to get the task done. But very few people, right, you see, who go beyond that code to really understand how it is done, right? And that skill comes in play when something doesn't work, when you have to debug, or when you need to design something from scratch, right? Unless you have that knowledge, you cannot do it. You can just be a programmer, write some code and write some fancy stuff, and that will work. Yeah. But if you are to become an engineer, like Max says, he's been like 35 years and a software engineer. If you have to have that kind of career where your core is about building and designing systems, you need to have that underlying.
That's true.